Hello, welcome back to the another video, that is fifth part of our bridge course. Now we will start with the unit 3 practical number 11, introduction to variability using student marks. We have to find variability between student marks, right? So what is variability? Variability refers to the extent to which data values differ from one another. The data sets with small differences has low variability, while data set with large differences has high variability. Now let's see what this sentence means, right? Problem statement. With the help of this problem, we will be clear what is the variability means. Okay. Now consider the marks of 5 students, that is 65, 68, 67, 66, 69. To determine the variability, we have to find the range, right? What is range? Highest marks minus lowest marks. We got 4. So 4 is a small number, right? Since the range is very small, the observations are closely grouped. Just like it, 4 is very small number, that therefore the variability become very low, right? Now coming to the practical number 12. Okay, practical number 11, this result, practical number 11 का result, let's see. The dataset shows low variability because the range is very low, therefore variability is equals to low, right? Now coming to the practical number 12. What practical number 12 says? Comparing two datasets using arithmetic mean. We have to find the arithmetic mean, then we have to compare those data sets, right? First, to calculate means and compare overall performance, right? So we have the two data set. First is class A and class B, that is division A and division B. We have to calculate and compare their means. First, how to calculate the mean, right? Add all the numbers divided by number of observation, right? That is 370 divided by 5. 5 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We will get 74. So the mean of class A is 4. Class A, mean of class A is 4. Now class B, we have to add all the numbers, right? We will get 360. 360 divided by 5. We will get 72. Mean of class B. Now we have to compare both the means. Class A 74, class B 72. Therefore, class A has a higher average score than class B. Mean is nothing, mean is average. Therefore, we write here average, higher average. Class A has the higher average, right? Now, coming to the practical number 13. Same, we have to do comparing between two data sets, but by using range. In the last practical, what we did? We did using mean. Now we will use range and compare two data set, right? First calculate the range, then compare data set, correct? Data set A and data set B as a question. Now what is the solution? Maximum minus minimum, because we have to find the range, then we have to calculate, right? So what is the range? Range will get 10, maximum minus minimum, right? So this is the range of A dataset. Now what is the range of B dataset? Maximum minus minimum. So it will become 50, right? This is the range of B dataset. Result, dataset B has greater variability than dataset A. Dataset B में ज़्यादा variability है as compared to dataset B. Now practical number 14, interpretation of employee salary data. We have to interpret the employee salary data. We have to first find the mean and then identify the salary spread. Okay. First, what is mean? Mean is the average. How we will find the mean? We will add all the salaries and divide it by number of salaries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? Then we have to calculate the range also. Right? Range is what? Maximum number minus minimum. Correct? So calculating the mean, we will get 1,50,000 divided by 5. That is average salary is 30,000. Right? Now what is range? Maximum minus minimum. Right? Maximum salary is 35,000 and minimum salary is 25,000. That is 10,000. Right? What is our output? Mean salary 30,000. Highest salary 35,000. Lowest salary 25,000. Range between 10,000. Right? So this is interpretation. This is interpretation of salary. We can interpret different values also. Right? Like salary, we can also interpret student marks, student attendance. Okay. Now coming to the practical number 15. Interpretation of factory production data. Same as we did for last practical, we have to find mean and range. Right? So this will be your homework. Correct? See the solution. First try it by yourself. Okay? Then see the solution. This is the solution. Coming to the practical number 16, we have to find mean, median and mode. That is mean, average, median, middle term, and mode, most frequently repeating value. Right? First, what we will do? We will find the mean. Okay? How we will find the mean? We will find the average. That is adding all the given numbers, then dividing it by right, number of observation. Correct? Then step 2 is to find median. First, count the data, whether it is odd or even. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, it is 7. It is number 7. So we don't have to use the formula for median because it is odd. We use the formula for even numbers. These are odd number, that is 7. Right? So what is the middle term? Middle term is 75. 3 term here, 3 term here, and middle term is 75. That is our median. Now what is mode? What is mode? Most occurring or most frequently repeating term, that is mode. 75 is repeating maximum time. Okay, so our mode is 75. Right? So mean is 78.57, median is 75, mode is 75. Right? Now on the practical number 17, analysis of monthly company revenue. We have to analyze the monthly company revenue. Okay, so for this we have to calculate the mean. First, how we will calculate the mean, you already know. I am not going to explain. And how to calculate the range, you already know. I am not going to explain this sum. You have to do it by yourself. This is the solution. Just look at this and you have to do by it yourself, because sums are repeating so many times. Same concept, nothing. Mean, average, differences, range, same concept. Nothing more than that. Yes. Now practical number 18, comparison of academic performance between two classes. We have to compare the performance of two classes. Right? There is something, class A and class B, both marks are given. 5 student marks are given. 60, 65, 70, 75, 80. Right? Class B student 55, 65, 75, 85, 95. correct? Compare both the class. Now we will find the median of class A, so it will come 70. Then we will find the range. What is range? Maximum minus minimum. So we will get 20. Range is 20 for class A. Now for class B, mean is 75 and range is 40. So we will make the table and compare both. Mean for class A is 70, range for class A is 20. Mean for class B is 75, range for class B is 40. So class B has the higher average but greater variability than class A. Class B has a higher average score but greater variability than class A. Okay. Practical number 19, statistical analysis of daily retail sales. We have to analyze the daily retail sales of a shop. Okay. Now coming to the problem, we have to find the mean, median and range. Right? How we will find the mean? How we will find the mean? Total number of no. Yes. How you will find the mean? Sum of all the numbers divided by right number of observation. Correct. So this is sum of all the number. This is number of observation. Let's divide it. We will get mean as 137.14. Now median. Let's arrange this data in ascending order. We arrange this data in ascending order. Now count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we don't have to apply the formula for odd number. This is our middle term 140. This is our answer, median. Now what is range? Maximum value minus minimum value. Maximum value is 150. Minimum value is 120. Correct? 150 minus 120 is equals to 30. Our range is 30. So the result is the average daily sales are 137.14 units. The median is 140 unit and the range is 30 unit. Correct? Now our last practical for today's video is practical number 20. We have to interpret the real life numerical data. Right? Now coming to the problem statement. This is the daily number of online order received over 9 days. Total number of order received in the 9 days. Right? Day 1, day 2, day order on day 1, order on day 2, order on day 3. This number of order we have received continuously on 9 days. Right? So we have to find all these arithmetic formulas. We have to find all these arithmetic logics. Right? That is mean, median, mode. Mean, what is mean? Average. Total number divided by number of observation. Correct. What is mean? Middle term. That is 60. 4 number here, 4 number here. Median is 60. What is mode? Most frequently occurring value. Right? Most frequently occurring value, that is 55, which is repeating 3 times. So our mode is 55 because it is repeating maximum time. Right? Then range 80 minus 50 because maximum value minus minimum value, we will get 30. Now put all the values in the tabular format. Mean, median, mode and range. Mean, median, mode and range. Right? So we will end this video here. Now in the next lecture we will start by unit 4. Till then, take care. Bye.